Hello everybody, today we are going to play some Happy Wheels. What should we say? Killer JB. Let's just try. Oh god. The fuck. Sorry guys. Oh, I got it. Okay. I am your father! Oh. It looks awesome, this sword. It looks like Darth Vader's. Oh god. I'm totally fucked up to this. Yeah, I got it. With one hand. What the? Oh shit. Oh god. No. No. Nah. What the? God. Nej. Hvad fuck? Kom nu, mand. Okay, jeg gider ikke den her. I don't want to play this. My first ball throw. Let us try. En bold. No. Yeah. Why the fuck do I suck to these kind of category? Ah, shit. I want the free balls, bitch. Oh yeah. Who's the loser now? Fuck. I didn't see that coming. Okay. Alright, ready, guys? No shit. Okay. No. Nah, what the fuck? Why is that to death? I want the winning. No. No, there's more than 2 death. What the fuck? No! Dog, sit. Menina. Oh, it's my dog. She is sitting over here and just. What the fuck? One more try. Ah, the last one. I know it. Oh, beast mode. Butterlon. Hey, shit. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh shit. Okay, I'm totally screwed. Okay, I can do this. I want you to clap for me. Oh shit. Oh yeah, this is how. Oh god. What the fuck is there falling poop out of that thing? Oh shit. What the fuck? What the? Yeah. I'm riding on my bicycle. Oh yeah. Fucking drive, bitch. What the fuck is going to happen? Let's just see, guys. No, okay. I'm gonna do this shit for you, bros. Come on. No. Oh, okay, this time I have it now. Come on. What the fuck? What the Malek? What the fuck? No, not at the fucking front wheel. Oh god, what is all that poop for? I'm just asking. Or rocks or what it is. It looks like fucking baby poop. No. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. I fucking. Oh shit. Why is this game like slow-mo right now? That's fucking creeping me out. No. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make this, guys. No. Oh god. What the? No, my helmet. Helmet, come back. You'll get it, son. Yeah. I'm just kidding. What the? Fuck. Not again. Guys, I don't want. I really suck to this game, but first time I try it. Sword throw. Nah. Okay. Let us do this. Don't kill me. Okay. Big killer. Is it demeaning to? Okay. Oh, right in the fucking balls, bitch. Ah, you're old, you don't have anyone. Ah, you like that? My leg! Fucking hit your balls. Oh shit. Oh, I was totally dead there, guys. Come on! What the fuck is with my fucking leg? Look at it! It's fucking weird. Fucking retard. Okay, I'm gonna... Don't kill Timmy. Okay. Or is... Yeah, I need to kill him. Sorry, Timmy. Is the old person's name really Hobo? Or is it just... What the... What the hell did that come from? What the fuck? That doesn't fucking make any sense. No. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this. I don't want fucking 2 swords. Die, Tim. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh. No, what the fuck? I think it... Oh. I know what it is now. Can you see it? It's a trap. I knew it. I fucking knew it. No, I didn't actually run. Oh yeah, he's gotta get killed. I actually suck at this. Oh yeah, right into a fucking pussy. Oh shit. Come on. No, what the fuck? I have a helmet. Come on. What the? Oh god. I totally suck. No. Guys, I'm suck at this. Really, I'm suck. Survive. Try to survive. Ah, shit. My goal is to survive. Okay. Oh, oh, shock. What the fuck? Retard. Okay, that wasn't. What the Come on, drive, bitch! Oh, yeah. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Yeah, yeah. Oh, fuck. Come on, come on. No, 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 no. Don't decision. The hard part is here. Oh, No, 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 no. That wasn't even... I came in like a wrecking ball. Oh, Ah, fuck. Ah, could it be fun if that happened to my sirens? Nah. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't want to fly to heaven free. Nah. What the... PewDiePie quiz. Let's just fucking try. I'm gonna beat this guy. He's awesome. If you are a Segway guy when you fall, press critical. Okay. Does PewDiePie have a girlfriend? Yes, he fucking has. I actually tried one of these. Marzia. Yeah, I'm a bro. I'm a bro of PewDiePie. PewDiePie's real name. Jesse. What the fuck? No, 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 no. What the I didn't even do anything. Okay, that's fucking weird, but okay. I actually tried one where you just could go over to the side and then just go to, yeah, to the next question. It was just like totally screwed, totally fucked up. I know my language isn't the yeah, I like PewDiePie. I wonder what happened when you say no. What the fuck? Oh yeah, that's how. What is the next? Which thing should I do next? Okay, just a football quiz. Dun, dun, dun. I don't want to save the play, bitch. One more, guys, then I'm gonna end the episode here, and I'll be ready for the next episode next time. Chop the motherfucker. Okay, I think glass break, ball throw fixed. I don't want to fly to heaven. My fucking life isn't over yet. Brain damage. What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna go. I believe I can fly. Okay, let us try. What the? Oh god, his penis is right there in me, man. What the fuck, gays all around? What the fuck? This is just a fucking trampoline map or something like that. One more, guys. Fucking one more. Okay, I need to find one that's funny. 9.9% impossible. Raping a fan. What the fuck? I think that all these guys who had made these maps is just what the fuck. Oh god, I have actually seen my cousin play this game, this map. Oh, what the? No! What the fuck? Come on, pupils, help me. What is that? No, I didn't see that too. Oh god. He actually. What the? No, 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 no. Oh, I was standing. Oh shit. Oh yes. Oh. Fuck. Mm. Guys, come on, help me, please. What the fuck? Yes. No, not my butt. I love my butt. Okay. I can do this. Clap for me. Clap. I want it. Fucking clap. Louder. Faster. Okay, now slower. Slower. Oh. No! What the fuck? Okay, seriously, guys. Fucking one more, okay? And not fucking SWAT from suck to this. I don't think I'm gonna be playing this much. You decide. Just write it in the comment. Loading levels, loading levels. Come on, man. Oh shit. Shut. Come on. I need one more to my pupils. What do you think, dog? My job. Beautifully. I love you. Love you. My little doggy dog. Oh god. Nah. Anyways, guys, I need to end this episode here, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.